So even though, oh crap, now I'm locked out. So we're not talking about building a fence here or the techniques used for building a fence, but more or less just building confidence to talk on video and making videos or any other projects that you have in mind in life. You're not just going to naturally come into it and hit it on the head the first time. You need to work at it. And with time, you'll build confidence. And your confidence is going to show in the quality of the videos that you make and the quality of being able to talk on camera. That was a really hard goal for me to achieve. Just because you need a project to do and you can't afford to do it, there's always a way to do it. So while I was making this pallet board fence, it might not come out exactly how you anticipated, but working on it and making it a goal, you can build your confidence level and achieve, a desired outcome that you're wanting. All broken board when I was making my fence. Nothing is ever going to come out exactly how you want in life. It just won't. You need to work at it. So when you take on a project, and it's going to take some time, you have to have some dedication towards it. And with that, you can achieve a goal. Sectioned off area with this gate is we had dogs, and I like to have dogs in an area to where cleanup is minimal. But in the main backyard where I have to do a lot of work, I don't want to have to worry about stepping in dog poop. So that's the reason why I have a sectioned off area in my yard. I have more pallets to break down for more fencing that is needed along that tree line over there. But so this video is not about building a fence. What this video is about is building confidence on working on your goals and your projects that you have. You can build up a confidence level and a skill so as that you can do most anything in life. This fence is just part of the illustration. And my gate, that was just a pleasant benefit, an outcome. But life is not going to just give you a free ride. You're going to have to work at it. So this is my challenge for you, is to just work at it and put a video out there and build some confidence. And you never know. If anything, at least you have